What if I told you your resume could work for you 24/7, even while you sleep? Today, I'll show you how to turn your boring PDF resume into a sleek professional webpage using Rezi in just a few clicks. No coding, no hassle. Let's dive in. Step 1. Sign up for Rezi. Go to rezi.ai. Click Sign Up. Use Google or email for speed. Select Resume Builder from the dashboard. Pro tip: Rezi offers free and paid plans. The free version works perfectly for this. Step 2. Import or create your resume. Option A. Upload your existing resume. Click Import Resume and upload your PDF docx. Rezi autofills your data. Check for errors. Option B. Build from scratch. Fill in sections, work experience, skills, education, using Rezi's templates. Rezi uses AI to suggest powerful bullet points. Just click to add them. Step 3. Customize the design. Click Templates and pick a web-friendly layout, e.g. minimalist or modern. Adjust colors, arch fonts to match your personal brand. Stick to clean, professional designs. Recruiters love readability. Add a profile photo. Optional but recommended. Step 4. Publish as a web page. Click Export. Select Publish Online. Choose a custom URL, e.g. rezi.io, your name. Hit Publish. Your resume is now live. Bookmark this link. Add it to your LinkedIn, email signature, or job applications. Bonus tips: track visitors. Rezi shows who views your resume. Update instantly. Edit anytime. No need to resend PDFs. SEO boost. Use keywords in your resume, e.g. digital marketing specialist, to rank higher. Now your resume isn't just a document, it's a powerful online profile. Drop a comment if you want a tutorial on Rezi's AI cover letters next.